In today's video, I'm going to show you Qatar Airways promo code. Discount works every time. Qatar Airways does release a number of promo codes each year, but the value really depends on where you're booking from and whether you're part of their loyalty programs. For 2025, some of the most reliable offers include seasonal discounts, such as 5% off base fares on flights booked from the UK and Europe, which are valid on both economy and business class tickets. There are also destination specific promotions, such as codes that take £100 or £150 off flights to Australia, depending on your cabin class, provided you book during the given window. Privilege Club members tend to enjoy the strongest discounts, with codes that reduce fares by up to 15% on select routes like Vietnam, Seychelles, and New Zealand, alongside bonus Avios promotions for logging in and booking through the member portal. Students can also benefit through the Qatar Airways Student Club, which gradually increases discounts up to 20% after a couple of trips, while adding perks like extra baggage allowance and in-flight Wi-Fi savings. On top of that, local partnerships matter. Holders of Visa cards in the Middle East, for example, can save up to 14% when booking during the summer campaign period. For long-haul flights, another recurring offer is the 10% reduction on routes to Australia, which applies to bookings made within the promotional period and for travel well into 2026. Even a simple newsletter sign-up can give you around 7% off your next ticket, which is helpful for those not eligible for membership-based codes. However, travelers on forums often note that not all promo codes visibly reduce prices, with some reporting no difference between applying a code and leaving the field blank. This happens because many codes only apply to the base fare and exclude taxes or fees, which can make the discount less obvious. The most important thing is to use codes that are specific to your account or region. General public codes sometimes yield little change, but targeted ones for Privilege Club, Student Club, or partner banks almost always work. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.